Hi everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be sharing with you some tips on how to show app icon badges in your device Xiaomi Mix Fold 2. So if you want to show app icon badges in your device Xiaomi Mix Fold 2, you can do it by following the few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you're the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can show app icon badges in your device.